In this video, we'll learn how to operate the printer for your selfie booth. Access the printer by opening the side door with the photo booth keys. Then, press the button to open the printer and pull it all the way out. Inside, you'll find the paper roll and the ink cartridge. It's very useful for you to know how to replace any of them. You can replace the paper by removing the roll from the compartment, and then you can open it from the sides. After you replace it, put it back in the compartment. Then, roll and slide the paper under the printing orifice. Keep doing it until you hear a beep. Once it beeps, the printer will be ready to go. You can just put the lids back in place and let the printer do its job. Make sure the plastic compartment behind the printer is always empty to avoid overload. On the left side, you'll find the power screen. Make sure it's green before you use it, and keep an eye on it in case there are any alarms you need to be aware of. And there you go, you can now start printing.